Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the music on the Dominoes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes, and tap to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find the second option, the music, and just click to the square icon, and new the music is disabled, and if the square is black, is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.